Hello and welcome to Crypto Condensed. Thank you for joining me on Thursday, May 16th, 2019. How are you? Let's go into the markets. As we refresh, we see Bitcoin is just below $8,000, sitting at $7,886. Ethereum at around 260 and XRP just above 40 cents, currently 41.77. Overall market for Bitcoin is down right now, but some alts are popping off. As you see, NEM up 30%, Clipper Coin 25%, and Dent 17%. Let's go into the news. Let's see what's going on with Bitcoin. Currently, Microsoft announced a big part, or actually, that's going to be using the technology of Bitcoin. Microsoft's fascination with blockchain technology is growing, and days after announcing its Azure blockchain service, it is onto a new project. The giant computing technology giant has announced that it is creating a decentralized identity network, DID, using Bitcoin blockchain. Of course, known as the most trustworthy blockchain in the space, the DID will be built as dictated by the Decentralized Identity Foundation standards. A Bitcoin based blockchain for Microsoft. Microsoft benefits more from Bitcoin. Following this announcement, Bitcoin bulls rushed to praise Microsoft's interest in the Bitcoin blockchain as its potential significance on Bitcoin prices. One user tweeted saying that at $8,000, the market is grossly underpricing the significance of the Microsoft news. For a tech giant of this magnitude to announce that they are using Bitcoin is probably the most significant announcements in the space to date. They have just endorsed BTC as a platform they trust. And I believe also that besides just the value of Bitcoin, it also boosts the value of Microsoft stock if you believe in stocks. So you could actually hedge your bet. Besides buying Bitcoin, you could actually buy Microsoft as well. And I would also look into other companies that are looking into Bitcoin and blockchain technologies. Let's go to this news also. So if you're talking about other companies, one company is Jaguar, and they are working with Iota-based blockchain in their computing technology. This is kind of old news, but it's more up to date now with their announcement on this BSW19 launch event. Iota surges 46% up since May low. One of the other partnerships with Iota is the City of Austin partnership with their mobility and transport system. This article will be in the blog in the description below for you to check out as well. And Reuters, a report announced earlier in April that Jaguar announcement that I just detailed with you, testing software that will allow Jaguar drivers to earn cryptocurrency rewards in Iota if they opt to share their data with Jaguar. So, with the computer system in Jaguar, they will be tracking the users. So, if you want to opt in, you'll be paid in Iota. There you go. And similarly, this will also happen with Ford eventually. So, all these companies that are slowly getting into cryptocurrency, you don't know which companies or which altcoins they will choose. In this case, it is Iota. So check it out if you want to see more. And here's the other main news for today. Other news is Coinbase app. If you use Coinbase regularly, you know this, but it has actually been trending in the App Store. This is due to the high volume of people and interested that want to be investors in the future. Started to download the app again. Maybe get it back from the iCloud store or whatever. But yeah, this is only the beginning, I would say so, of the new investors coming in. There will be a euphoric stage again, and don't get caught up in the hype. Be an early adapter. In political news, we see hopeful presidential 2020 Yang says blockchain crypto must be a big part of the U.S. future. I believe that blockchain needs to be a big part of our future, says Wang. If I'm in the White House, oh boy, are we going to have some fun in terms of cryptocurrency community. Yang, of course, is from New York based, and he is pro universal basic income stance. I would say, I would predict that he would be more inclined to regulate the cryptocurrency industry, as you see right here. We just need to provide rules off the road, Yang states. we need to figure out which agency is going to be interacting with individual currencies. It would be unfortunate if every time a new currency comes out, we then have to decide which framework applies. Yang knows that the most biggest part of this industry is regulation, and once that is in play, it'll open the doors to more adoption in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yang's campaign also accepts Bitcoin and Ethereum and other cryptocurrency donations as of July 2018. So almost a year now, Yang has been accepting Bitcoin and Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies. Similar to this presidential candidate Yang, John McAfee, as some of you might know, is also claiming to run in 2020 race, but his stance is way more not as rigid as Yang would say. I would assume. On to our last news of the day. Opera browser, which has an in-browser crypto wallet, has just announced that it will support Tron, TRX, and TRC standard tokens in its browser-based crypto wallet. Opera has already supported Ether and other tokens using ERC20 standard, having launched last December. But at the time, the wallet was only available for its Android web browser. Last month, though, Opera rolled out a desktop version for the browser on the Mac, Windows, and Linux operating systems that included the wallet. This is the best. This browser wallet combi, excuse me, because it's plural. Combi is available for iOS devices too, but is currently available. Is only currently in beta and is expected to see full release later this year, according to Windows Wednesday's announcement. And earlier this year, Opera has allowed its Android users to buy ETH directly from its browser-based wallet through a partnership with Sweden-based regulated crypto brokerage Cephello. So Opera is cool, I guess. I don't use that. I currently use Brave browser, as you might know. Brave is on mobile and desktop, and does have a cryptocurrency wallet built in, using its Brave BAT token, basic attention token, of course. And I have a referral link in the description below if you want to get a $5 referral bonus for downloading the browser and activating your wallet. I would appreciate if you use that, but of course, do what you wish. Maybe get Opera browser, but hey, I like my Brave browser with 8 times faster speed than Chrome and Safari, and no more data charges to download unwanted content. All those cookies and everything that you don't need won't be on your account. And like I said, earn rewards and minimize your ads. Thank you for joining me today. That's a bit for me. I'm on to the gym, of course, and hope you enjoy your day. And Crypto Condense, I'm out of here. Have a good one. Peace.